I've spent my life around cars, the thunder of a V8, the deep rumble that shakes your chest, the anticipation as you turn the key and feel the engine come alive beneath you. For many of us, that sound is more than just noise. It's a heartbeat, a pulse that connects us to the road and to each other. The scream of a V12, the smooth song of a straight six, these are the anthems of motoring history, echoing through decades of innovation and passion. For a century, that noise meant freedom. It meant adventure, rebellion, and the open road. It was the soundtrack to our journeys, our escapes, and our dreams. But now, the future is quiet. Electric cars are changing everything we know about driving. The roar is being replaced by a gentle hum, a near silence that feels both strange and exciting. It's a revolution you can barely hear, but you can definitely feel. It's not just about saving on petrol, it's about rethinking our relationship with cars and the planet. Charging at home, reducing emissions, and embracing a cleaner, quieter way to move through the world. This is the biggest shift since the Model T rolled off the assembly line, and it's happening right now, in real time, all around us. The way we drive, the way we think about cars, is being rewritten. Electric